Today we shall be discussing about opening a supermarket and the services we provide towards the same. Hello friends, I am Bhrigu Dutt from Eagle Peak Consultancy. We are a 12-year-old business consultancy company with experience of having opened more than 200 retail concepts in over 30 cities in India and abroad. We provide end-to-end handholding and support for setup, execution and launch of business. You should open a supermarket for the following reasons. First is high demand. The products being sold at a supermarket are always in high demand, and this is especially true if it is located near a society or a residential area. Second is high acceptability of the products. This business has low risk as you are not selling a new or an untested product and are not sure how the market will respond to it. The products being sold have a high acceptability among the consumers as they meet the day-to-day needs of the people. Third, cash-rich business. Supermarkets are a cash-rich business as you get a daily cash inflow. Fourth, no bad debts. There is no risk of bad debts as you do not give any credit since you are mostly catering to B2C customers. Fifth, essential service. Supermarkets are an essential service which can operate even during a lockdown. And sixth, all-year business. Supermarkets are not a seasonal business. You get consistent business all through the year. In certain locations, you may even be able to operate for 24 hours and 365 days a year. Seventh, convenience. A supermarket can be conveniently located near the place of residence where it is easy to operate and manage. Eighth, small area, low rent. Currently, due to the corona crisis, the real estate prices are extremely low. This is a good time for investment and you can get a small area of 300 to 500 square feet at a really good price. Ninth, low investment. The overall investment into the business is low and the project cost is between 10 to 15 lakh rupees. Finally, it is easily shiftable. Another way we reduce the risk of the business is by designing the outlets in a modular format. In case the outlet does not do well at a particular location, we can easily shift the outlet to a new location. This greatly reduces the risk of loss of capital. We at Eagle Peak Consultancy provide you an end-to-end service. All you need to do is cut the ribbon and start your business. From assisting you in forming your entity, whether it's company, LLP or firm, to doing all your compliances which includes GST registration, to helping you search and find the right property, negotiating your lease, different lease terms such as what should be the security deposit, what should be the escalation clause, how much rent-free period you should have, to getting it Vastu compliant check, vetting of your agreements, then all the designs that you require, that is your logo design, architectural design, layout drawing, designs of collaterals, designs of marketing material, to getting all the other licenses like FSSAI, retail license, shop and establishment license, fire NOC, health trade license, and getting your tie-ups done with over 200 brands, which includes brands like Mother Dairy, Amul, Coke, Pepsi, Britannia, Parle, Patanjali, Dabur, P&G, HUL, ITC, Nestle, and many more, to setting up the entire supply chain for the outlet. And we have a host of categories of products which we are selling, which include staples like cereals, like pulses, like salt, sugar, packaged goods like chips, chocolates, beverages, noodles, biscuits, then frozen products like ice creams and cheese, dairy products like milk, cream, butter, then you have fresh products like fresh vegetables, bread, eggs, then bakery products. Then we can also give you inside your outlet in a shop-in-shop format, our cart or kiosk of our brand Chai Garam, which sells a range of hot and cold beverages and snacks, all prepared fresh. Apart from that, you can also sell range of hygiene and healthcare products, which for skin care, for oral hygiene. Then there are household products for like detergents and for household cleaning. Then there is pet food and pet care. Apart from that, we also undertake the entire fabrication and setup of the outlet, which includes your civil work, your electrical work, your fabrication of your interiors, your racks, your storage spaces, making your graphics, your signages, then entire technology integration, which includes setting up the point of sale system, the software, the CCTV cameras, integrating it so you can remotely access and monitor the operations of the outlet at any time, and then marketing the outlet around in and around your area, which includes your BTL activities, your social media and digital promotions, your launch party, you're promoting on print and radio, then integrating all payment solutions and delivery platforms, which includes ties with Paytm, Sodexo, Ticket Restaurant, Freecharge, Airtel Money, Vodafone M-Pesa, Zeta, then all integrating with all credit and debit card solutions. And then HR recruitment, selection and training, that is hiring your manpower and training them. And it's a complete 30-day on-site support we give you, which means for 30 days, 15 days before launch and 15 days after launch, someone from our company is there at the outlet to handhold you through the whole process. And this also, in further to this, we also have visits from our retail experts. Now, these are people who have more than 25 to 30 years of experience in hypermarkets and supermarkets, who come and guide you on the different aspects of the business. So as you have seen, we provide you an end-to-end hand-holding and support, right from conceptualizing the business to helping you find the property, to design and set up, to setting your supply chain, fabricating the outlet. It's a complete hand-holding we do. If you have any further queries or questions, or you need more information, please visit our website epconsultancy.com. If you have liked this video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.